What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can download an IDE for C++. So let's begin. So before downloading, let me tell you what is IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is just a code editor and also a compiler. It compiles the code we write and convert it into the binary digits which computer can understand. So let's download it. First of all, open your web browser, then search for code block and download. Then go to this link, then click on this binary, download the binary release. After that, if you are a Windows user, then download this. Let's yes, this MinGW 32-bit setup. Then click on this source for .NET. It will be automatically downloading in few seconds. It will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so let me cancel it. After the downloading, it will look like this. Open it. It's a code block. Wait for some time. Yes, you can see that. Then click on create new project. Then search for this console application. Then click next. Then name your project. Let me you will understand array. So let's say array underscore one. Then click next. Wait. Let me show you. This is for creating the path for your program which you will write. So let's see, I want this in this file, so I select this folder and then do next. You set it as a default, then finish, then click on this plus sign, then click on this main. Your IDE has been successfully started. It shows an hello world program. Then to run this, simply go to build and run. It will build and run your program. It is nothing. You can see hello world. So that's all for